Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Monday, June 12th. Time is around 7:30 GMT and we will have a look at the FTSE futures on the Oanda platform. So in my weekend video I discussed the higher time frame, the weekly, the daily. I told you there that I'm expecting a pullback in the FTSE or that the pullback is actually already going on. Could be that we make one more high here, but for now I would assume that the high is in. This is also what you see here on the 4 hour chart, and so now we start to pull back, like a corrective move. This typically is in an ABC pattern or WXY pattern, but here I see an ABC. So we came down here quite impulsively as a wave A. One, two, three, four, five swings to the downside. Then we had our wave B to the upside, also as an ABC. Wave B is corrective structure, and so now we are doing a wave C to the downside, I believe, and our target area for this um, wave C is based on the length of our wave A and our wave B, which is the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. So this becomes the target for our wave C. Now, maybe let's further zoom in now on the 1 hour. So this here was our wave B high. So now we are coming down again in five waves. Wave one to the downside, leading diagonal. We corrected as a wave two, fulfilled the minimum requirements, 0.5 pip retracement of your wave one, like this. Here we touched the 0.5 pip retracement, and we further went down here as a wave. This is for me the wave three, quite impulsively. We turned from the area that a wave 3 can turn, which is between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. Normally, a wave 3 should reach the 1.618 FIB extension, but yeah, we did not reach it. But okay, for me, this can be still a wave 3. And so now I believe we are doing a wave 4, which will be followed by a wave 5 to the downside. Now, this wave 4, let's further zoom in on the 15 minutes. So actually, let's go back first to the 1 hour. So actually, we already reached the 0.5 FIB retracement for a wave 4. We even crossed it. So it means that we cannot see like more upside here. Maybe we can make like one more marginal new high, but we cannot retrace more to somewhere this area, because that would mean that it is not a wave 4 anymore. So this is something to consider. If we really start to push up from here, then I have to reconsider my count. This cannot be a wave 4 anymore. But for now, I will stick with this count because it also aligns with my higher time frame count, in the sense that we should see more downside in the FTSE. And then, okay, we zoom in on the 15 minutes. Yeah, this starts to look quite ugly, and this is yeah, this can be good. Waves 4 can be quite ugly, but this also makes it difficult to trade, because like if this is a wave 4, it should be an ABC corrective structure, and so I see an ABC here. You could do it like this: A, B, and then an extended wave C. So as a flat, actually, but this makes it difficult to trade. Um, how I would subdivide this wave C is as here we had our wave 1, 2. This is our 3. We did a 4 here. Actually, this was a nice opportunity, but I missed it. But we reacted very nice from the equal leg area here, as you can see. So from the from this area, nice reaction to the upside. So this makes me think that this can be considered as a wave 4, which would mean that there is enough still the opportunity to short from this area here when the wave 5 is ended. Yeah, it starts to look messy and unlikely, but I think it is still possible that this could still be a valid count. So if we see from here 5 waves up that ends somewhere in this area, so take out this wave 3 high with divergence here on the 1 hour. So we have lower RSI compared to our wave 3. Then for me, this is still a short opportunity. But I will immediately tell you, it becomes more and more tricky as this takes like really long. Like the point is like it should be part of the same cycle, and this takes really long, which makes me doubt that this is still the same cycle. Could be that we had upward cycle here, and that we now had a downward cycle corrective, and that we are now starting again a new upward cycle, which can reach yeah, much higher. Like forget all the annotations you see here. What it also could be is that like this was a wave 1, so we had a down move, whatever it is. We will see in a few days how we can correctly count this, but it could be so that this is a low, that we start a new upward cycle from here, that this was a wave 1, a wave 2 to the downside corrective, that we now have a wave 3 to the upside, very strong to the upside. And then you do not want to short here, of course. So this is also a possibility, but this is not my primary count, because I'm expecting more downside. So this is an alternative, but I don't draw it, because yeah, we are still, I mean, we are still bearish in the 1 hour, in the 4 hour. So yeah, I cannot tell you now we will fly to the moon from here. This is not possible. So I still think this can be a short if we end here after 5 waves up with divergence on the 1 hour. This might be a short possibility. Okay, this is what I see for today for the FTSE. I hope you enjoyed the analysis, and see you tomorrow for another video. Thank you. Bye bye.